All right, this is I don't care about your Forex ROAS part 2. Now I want to explain why I don't care about that Forex ROAS, because a lot of people are going to sit there and say, well, Forex is still better than 2x. Is it? Let's take a quick look here and just remind ourselves. My ROAS is 2.14. All right, then my acquisition cost is 96.83. Now, if I went to a Forex ROAS, basically I'm looking, what, at a $45, $47 cost per acquisition. And what did I say the 90-day LTV, 90-day lifetime value on this customer was 500 and change. So we're just going to call it 500. All right, 90-day value is 500 on average, just to make the math easy. So in a full year, on average, they spend about $2,000 a year. Now remember, this is an erectile dysfunction medication. So you ain't taking it once and everything works forever. You need it every time. So if you're spending on average $2,000 a year, is your average lifetime customer value for a year, not 90 days, but for a year, they spend $2,000. Are you willing to go for an extra $47? Because all you're going to be doing at that point is cutting out customers, because you're going to be shutting down every campaign that isn't Forexing. So you have a much smaller pool of people that are going to be in the Forex area. To make an extra $47 a year on that, it's not the question you should be asking. Forex is better than 2x. You have a much larger pool where I can actually scale at 2x. All right, so you're getting a lot more customers. You are actually losing money. I care about money in the bank, not the ROAS. ROAS is a vanity number. It's a number I need to know. It's a number I need to be able to adjust. You have to know what the break-even ROAS is for this company. That is the real question you should be asking. But I am not going to shrink my pool down to nothing. You know what I mean? For Forex, shutting off campaigns, scrambling, having an aggravated client. No, you have to explain to your client like this is a long-term gig. So if you do have repeat business, you want to look at that lifetime value at 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 1 year, even 6 months, and understand how long they're going to stay there, how long your average customer stays with you and your product and your service, and how much they are actually worth, and how much they can actually make money in the bank, not ROAS, money in the bank. Like even HubSpot loses $800 per purchase, because they know they're going to stay there for X amount of time and spend X amount of money. So losing $800 getting a customer in isn't a big deal. All that money comes back, 4 or 5-fold on the back end, as they keep with the service and keep moving. And that is why I do not care about the Forex ROAS. You have to understand your numbers for your business or the accounts that you are running. You have to know where their break-even ROAS is. You have to know their lifetime value. You have to know how long a customer actually stays with them. Is it a one-off, or do they keep repeat buying? Is this a face cream that they're going to keep using for a long time because it actually works and you provide a good service? Because service actually matters, and the lifetime value, and then you can know what you can actually have for a ROAS. So going, I got a Forex ROAS doesn't mean anything. So just to let everybody know, just a little short explanation on that.